or I'm not the only guy who's suffering from disability.
Today I'm starting a new YouTube series called Champions Unseen. आज इस सीरीज़ का पहला एपिसोड है जहां हम एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग फाउंडेशन को कवर कर रहे हैं, दिव्यांग मैत्री। यहाँ पे पीपल हु हैव फिजिकल चैलेंजेस, हु आर फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड, उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है इस फाउंडेशन का, इन लोगों को बाहर लाएं, इनको स्पोर्ट्स खिलवाएं, क्रिकेट खिलवाएं और स्पोर्ट्स खिलवाएं, टेनिस एंड सो ऑन, और उनके लिए एक फिजिकल एक्टिविटी हो और ये लोग बाहर आके सोशली कनेक्ट करें और अपने आप को खेलने के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दें। यहाँ पे ओवर द फ्यू इयर्स इंडिया लेवल के प्लेयर्स निकल चुके हैं इन नेट से। बाय दिस इनिशिएटिव पीपल हु आर प्लेइंग व्हीलचेयर क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया, दे हैव बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम हियर।
Hello everyone, my name is Shiv Prasad, founder of an NGO called Divyang Maitri Sports Academy, and prior to this I've played 8 years of professional sports, and to begin with started off my career playing wheelchair tennis, and I've represented India until tournaments and I was ranked number 2 in India, and post that I started off my childhood passion of cricket, and I've played competitive cricket for 4 years, and until last year I was the vice captain of Indian wheelchair cricket team. And now our major focus is to provide a platform for people with disability to pick up all sort of sports and help them as much as possible.
How are you?
I'm Gajendra.
Gajendra?
Hi, I'm Harish.
Harish, Vivek, nice to meet you. Hi.
Dilip.
Dilip, Vivek, nice to meet you. Hi, Vivek. Abhishek, Darshan, Vivek. Oh, coach, thank you. Coach, how are you?
Do you like to play on wheelchair?
Will it be disrespectful?
No. I mean, if you sit on wheelchair, that would be great, you know. Like when you try on wheelchair, that would be more impactful.
I want to experience it, but I don't want anyone to feel ki disrespecting somebody who has a disability.
It's not disrespectful. I mean, we ask people to sit on wheelchair.
Yeah, I would like
You
to.
get to know how, without footwork, using your upper body if you have a upper body strength, and people with spinal cord or muscular dystrophy or polio, so they don't have their upper body strength. They just have their upper body strength. So below knee, it's polio affected or spinal cord, they won't be having any sensation. So they'll have to generate through their upper body and through forearms. So there are many players, who use their forearms and generate the strength and hit massive sixes.
Wow.
So we would welcome you and everyone to sit on wheelchair and experience how challenging it is. I can't say it's difficult. Anyone can master anything.
But you use different kinds of muscles.
Yeah, and you
use
also
different parts of
use
your
your
body.
wheels also to go forward and come. So that would be your footwork initially. So to experience that, I mean,
Yeah,
I think you would definitely
I
love
would
it.
love that. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So first you'll have to wear the left one. So the below one. This one.
But why left specifically?
No, because you can adjust here.
Below below.
This one, if you tighten it,
Correct.
then the above one, you'll get
Easier.
more
Yeah.
if you want it loose or if you want it tight. And you can't keep your legs on the floor.
Can't.
So it's like 5 runs penalty if you use your leg.
That's the rule.
Yeah. If
So
you
it has
use
to
your
be
leg,
placed on
it
the
has to be on this bar.
on this. And then this goes up.
Yeah,
Okay.
just like that. So it's like you have to push both your hands when you're fielding. And when you hit a shot, you hit the shot and you leave the bat there and you run. Few players, they hit the shot and they keep it on their lap and run. So people are used to their own techniques.
But if you're facing a delivery and you want to make some adjustment, you can do it while the ball is in the air.
Yeah, so you'll have to do it from your left hand.
If you're
right-hander.
So my bat is just in one hand.
Yeah,
And then I do that.
that's also difficult.
That's
The
very difficult.
Bowlers is also chalak.
Yeah.
He'll bowl a slow one or he'll bowl a quicker one.
Yeah. If I'm making that adjustment.
Yeah, adjustment. So everyone's smart.
And if it's so when you face the delivery, do you face like
So
sideways?
a little cross, a bit
Like that
cross.
maybe?
Yeah, like this. Because probably you can play the straighter one. Because in wheelchair cricket or even in normal cricket, people are very greedy, right? So even when the straighter one comes, they try to slog it.
Correct.
So initially, to make that straight bat adjustment, we play a bit in this cross way.
Yeah. Otherwise, if you play like this, then you can only go
only
left
go
or
on
right.
leg side, and they'll keep on bowling the fourth stump,
Yeah.
fifth stump line, and it'll be difficult for the batsmen to
And
play.
in terms of overall rules of cricket, are they similar to, what are the difference? Like boundaries are shorter?
The boundaries are a bit shrunk, so it's 18 yards. So it's 16 meter. It's not. It's not 22 yards.
22
So
yards, yeah.
it's 20 yards, which is 16 meter, and the boundary is 45 to 50 meter. So if the outfield is quick, we know that there are good players around. So we sometimes extend it to 55 meters as well, or the standard would be 45.
And fielding would be
Same,
tremendously
everything on wheel.
difficult though.
Yeah.
Like you have to bend to.
You have to bend, and people who don't have balance, they wear a strap, and that gives them an extra support. So then they bend, or when they bend, so they
use
use
one of
this
the hands.
hand on the wheel and they bend, so that they can come back with this hand. Yeah, so there are many challenging things that each disabled person
Correct.
goes through. So have you ever heard about wheelchair cricket?
No, I've seen
You've seen it?
seen it for sure, and I know that our team also does well quite a
yeah,
bit. I mean, I'm a cricket buff, so definitely, but never really got into the nuances of how difficult it might be. Like now I'm sitting here, can't imagine like having limited mobility to be
Yeah.
able to then do the same things.
Yeah.
And sometimes you take certain things for granted. Like footwork is such an important part of
Yeah,
batting.
right.
To take that out completely, it's crazy. So yeah, I would love to
start?
try and see. Yeah.
Let's see. I mean, yeah. See if you can pick up the bat from here.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
It's fun. It's fun always, So one tip I would tell is, when you're fielding or when you're batting, so if you can push both wheels at time, it'll be easy. Yeah, like that. And when you turn, just hold one wheel. Yeah.
Founder
Hi
of the
Shiv, great to
organization.
meet you, man.
Same here,
Like,
same here.
kudos to all the work you've been doing. Like, phenomenal. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for.
No. Thanks to you. I guess you guys have done quite a bit of research and.
No. I mean, see, at the end of the day, somebody who's trying to amplify the message is only a messenger, right? You are the one who's doing all the hard work, putting all the hard yards and trying to expand this. So
More work need to be done, Vivek. If you see, though we have like more than 20 states playing wheelchair cricket, but if you look at the support system, what they have, they've been not being, there's nothing. So our Karnataka is like, we've been lucky enough to have our own cricket nets. If you see Shavli Ground, we have our own 2 cricket nets, and we have like 50 to 60 wheelchairs, and we've distributed among 4 districts and stuff like that, across like 50 to 70 odd players are there. But again, if you go interior to other districts like Odisha or the Kolkata or Chhattisgarh for the matter, there's absolutely no support at all. So ideally, this should, our small attempt is to get the government intervention, and BCCI, which is the governing body for all forms of cricket, should come forward and support such initiatives.
I hope this is not disrespectful to be
No,
sitting on the.
absolutely.
Yeah,
We are happy that
yeah.
you're trying it out.
Yeah.
I encourage everyone to
And
try this out.
I'm already feeling like if somebody sits on this, they really understand
Yes.
at least partially
Very true, very true.
what your day-to-day lives are like with the restrictions. And,
You will understand how difficult it is to balance wheelchair and
Yeah.
then play shots.
Yeah.
It's not that easy that
Yeah.
it appears, but
Yeah.
again, you need a lot of training and
Absolutely,
dedication.
appreciate it. It's very challenging. Body parts को taken for granted ले लेते हैं. It's such a big gratitude and blessing कि हमें सब कुछ fit है, सब कुछ मिला है जो हम सोचते नहीं हैं. हमें छोटी मोटी टेंशनों पे जी रहे हैं, but this is eye opening. This is eye opening to play without full mobility. He's been too kind to me, just giving it offside. The basics of not being able to use the feet.
Yeah, that's where it's challenging.
That is really tough.
But
Ah.
see?
Oof.
Oi!
2, 1,
2, yeah.
2 or 1? 2, 5, 8.
5, 8. Yay! Won by 2 runs. I mean, it was not out, but still, yeah.
Oh man, I was just like hoping that you'll stray from your line a little bit.
No. But if you go to some rural parts, if
Yeah,
you go
how
to
do
Tamil
you-
Nadu,
yeah.
if they come to Karnataka, here we don't have such great grounds. So we usually are habitual to mats. So we are good at pace, and when it comes to slow balls, we
Yeah,
find
just-
difficult when we
yeah,
go to
yeah.
the northern side in UP.
But is it played on mats or is it soil?
It's soil.
Like
Now,
regular?
Yeah, because in
like
Bangalore
kitchen.
you hardly find any turf.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
we are habitual to mat. But when you go to other conditions like UP, Punjab, those guys they have their like own field. They get great support from the other grounds. So they play on turf and they're so used to that turn and pace.
We have more than 70 to, somewhere between 70 to 100 on and off people playing wheelchair cricket across Karnataka. And when you look at the pan-India level, so we have more than 20 plus states, playing wheelchair cricket. So we have state associations out there. So as of now, wheelchair cricket is not being supported by any of the government organizations or the BCCA for that matter. But things are in the right, step wherein, we are looking at, convincing BCCI and other, government authorities to, support wheelchair cricketers. And that is one major challenge is that, there is no support for athletes to come out and play this particular game. And apart from that, when it comes to event perspective, still when we are talking about the sponsors and stuff like that, they're still looking at this game as a charity event. But again, no, it's not charity, it is played at a very competitive level. And we don't have this commercial aspects in any of the para sports. That is also a major challenge why the money is not flowing into different labeled sports. So we are slowly working on that, and I'm sure that things will change when the common public come out and how they supported the women's cricket. If they start supporting a different label game, it'll come into mainstream.
मेरा नाम सागर लमानी है, मैं बीजापुर से हूँ। मैं जब व्हीलचेयर क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ अभी एक 4 से 5 साल हो गया। मुझे मालूम नहीं था व्हीलचेयर क्रिकेट क्या होता है। मैं एक फेसबुक थ्रू एक लिंक देखा था कर्नाटक दिव्यांग मैत्री स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी बोल के, उसमें सब व्हीलचेयर के ऊपर बैठ के क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे। जब उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा कि व्हीलचेयर के ऊपर भी क्रिकेट खेलते हैं क्या लोग। जब व्हीलचेयर क्रिकेट खेलने आए मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं था कि कैसा व्हीलचेयर मूवमेंट करते, कैसे बैटिंग खेलते, कैसे विकेट कीपिंग करते, कैसे फील्डिंग करते बोल के। जो हमारे टीम में बहुत सारे सीनियर प्लेयर थे, तो उन लोगों को देख के मुझे लगा कि मैं भी अच्छा खेल सकता हूँ, कि मैं इन लोगों के साथ धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ा। अभी मैं भी एक नेशनल लेवल प्लेयर पोजीशन पे हूँ।
My name is Sagar Gowda. I am from Bangalore, Karnataka. I also represent India in the Indian wheelchair cricket team. So recently we played a series against Sri Lanka and we won the series 5-0. It's been a great journey so far with the state team, with the national team and with the association. I met with an accident in 2015. We were triple riding and I lost my leg during the accident. In 2015 I was in my engineering, and post that I debuted in 2018, and in 2019 I debuted for India. So from then I've been playing wheelchair cricket, and it's been a great journey so far. I'm very happy that I'm able to live my dream to an extent.
Hi, my name is Harish Kumar, captain of Karnataka wheelchair cricket team. Presently, I'm the member of Indian cricket team. It was a great experience when DMS has given the opportunity to lead as a team, Karnataka team. Last year, I got the captaincy. I came to know this wheelchair cricket. I came in 2018, I played, and 2019, I represented India. In future also, I'm trying to give my best to Indian cricket team, as well as Karnataka wheelchair cricket team.
Hi, this is Vamsi. I am the current bowling coach of Karnataka wheelchair cricket team, and I also represent Divyang Maitri Sports Academy. I was Indian wheelchair cricket bowling coach in 2018, where we travelled to Dubai. We played against Pakistan and we won 3-0 in the tournament.
खेलना तो बहुत मुश्किल है। जैसे मैं पहले बोल रहा था, जब बैठा पहली बार व्हील चेयर पे तो ऐसे लगा कि बिना बॉडी को यूज़ करना, बिना नीचे का पार्ट यूज़ करे, जिसको हम इतना टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं। जैसे पहले ऑफ पे बॉल आ रही है तो ठीक है, आप आराम से आपका हाथ मूव कर रहा है, बट जब बॉल सीधी आती है तो आपको समझ नहीं आता खेलो कैसे। आपको पूरी बॉडी की पावर चाहिए जनरेट करने के, मारने के लिए। और जब पैर नहीं होते, आप फुटवर्क यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज। लोग हैं 60-60 मीटर के छक्के मार रहे हैं सिर्फ व्हील चेयर में बैठ के अपने अपर बॉडी की पावर जनरेट करते हुए। इट्स जस्ट ट्रिमेंडस। बट मैं एक बात दोबारा बोलूँगा एट द रिस्क ऑफ रिपीटिंग, इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड करना चाहिए हमें हर रोज़ सुबह उठ के, द फैक्ट दैट वी आर फुली एबल्ड, पार्ट्स बॉडी के वर्क करते हैं। जो लोग डेली इस चैलेंज को फेस करते हैं उन लोगों को क्या मुश्किलातें होती हैं, उसके बावजूद ही वो जा रहे हैं, खेलना चाहते हैं, वो अपने आप को इंडिया के रिप्रेजेंट करने आते हैं। मतलब द मोटिवेशन दे हैव, द पैशन दे हैव इज़ फिनोमिनल। मतलब जो यहाँ बिल्ड किया गया है इस पिच पे, इस जगह पे जो बिल्ड किया गया है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल चीज़ है। और मतलब मेरे लिए तो बहुत मूविंग था। मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत व्हील चेयर क्रिकेट ऐसे टीवी पे देखा होगा, बट कभी ये चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करी कि ये कितना डिफ़िकल्ट है और कितना ज़्यादा मतलब जान चाहिए इसको खेलने के लिए। कूडोज टू दीज प्लेयर्स, कूडोज टू दिस इनिशिएटिव। और मैं सिर्फ यही कहूँगा कि आई हैव कम आउट ऑफ हियर एज एब्सोल्युटली अ चेंज्ड पर्सन, completely. वन विन एक ब्रांड है जो सपोर्ट भी कर रहा है। इस ब्रांड का ये आइडिया है कि जितने भी ज़्यादा व्यूज़ बढ़ेंगे हमारे वीडियो के, उतनी ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन करेंगे। सो फॉर एवरी व्यू दे आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग 1 रुपी। वी आर होपिंग इनको लाखों रुपए मिलें। ऑफ कोर्स वी आर ओनली अ वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट दे नीड। यहाँ इसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कॉर्पोरेट्स ने हेल्प करी है। And Shiva, the person who's founded this NGO, he has done a lot of amazing work, tremendous work to go to corporates and try to raise awareness of this initiative and also get a lot of support. अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे volunteers हैं Cognizant company के, and they invest their time over the weekend to support this initiative.
Anything to do with wheelchair sports, we want to venture out and contribute as much as possible.
Thanks again. Thank you for the time and thanks for all the effort you're making. Thank you so much.